Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by making your Gmail address an Apple ID contact so iMessage can route to it. Sign into Appleid. Apple.com, add your Gmail under Account or Reachable at, and request the verification code Apple sends. Once done, open that Gmail, copy the code, and enter it back on Apple's site to confirm ownership. This links the Gmail address to Apple infrastructure. Make sure to complete verification now, so your devices can recognize the address for iMessage and FaceTime. Next, you tell each device to use that Gmail address inside Messages. On your iPhone, tap Settings, Messages, then Send and Receive. Sign in with your Apple ID if needed and enable the Gmail address for sending and receiving. Once done, on your Mac, open Messages, go to Preferences, iMessage, sign in, and check the same Gmail address. Make sure to pick that address as the default for starting conversations, so contacts will see messages coming from your Gmail-linked Apple ID. Finish by testing. Send an iMessage to an Apple contact and verify the sender shows your Gmail address. If messages don't go through, sign out of Messages on each device and sign back in, restart the device, and ensure iCloud and Wi-Fi are active. Also confirm Apple's verification email wasn't caught in spam. One key troubleshooting tip: enable two-factor authentication on your Apple ID and ensure the Gmail address is listed as reachable. That resolves most address verification and delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.